Next we are having dissolution. So what do you mean by dissolution? When we are going to mix the two substances thoroughly in one another, that is known as dissolution. For example, in this glass I am having water, and from outside I am going to mix the solid or some kind of sugar into it. So when I will mix the sugar into the water, and this process of mixing two things or two substances thoroughly into one another is nothing but a dissolution. For example, salt in water or sugar in water. So whenever we are mixing two things together is known as dissolution. So next we are having factors affecting dissolution. So many factors are there which increase or decrease the rate of dissolution. So here we are having three factors. First we are having temperature. When we are giving more temperature to the solution, that time dissolution process increasing. For example, here I am having glass, and here I am going to put the sugar into it. Okay, when I am just stirring the sugar, I'm not giving any kind of temperature, it will take time in order to dissolution, in order to mix thoroughly with each other. But in the second case, if I am taking a flame, and in the flame this dissolution process takes place very faster, means there is a mixing very fast. Why? Because temperature increases the rate of dissolution. Second, we are having stirring. If you will do more and more stirring. More and more stirring means like mixing of the two things will take place more faster, or dissolution you can say will be more. Next we are having concentration of solvent. Concentration of solvent means what? For example, you are having here one glass of water, and if you will put 1 spoon of sugar into it, then you know by stirring it is going to mix into the water. When you will put 2 spoons of water to 2 spoons of sugar, then also it is going to mix into it. But if I am having one full bag of sugar and I am going to put into the water, will it going to mix into it? No, because here concentration of the solution is going to increase. When the concentration I am going to increase, that time dissolution process is going to reduce. So more is the concentration of solvent, because in solvent, for example, if too many things are already there, if here salt is already present, for example, and I want to add more salt into it, I want to add more and more salt into it, then salt will stop mixing into it, because it is already having too much salt into it. Okay, so more is a concentration of solvent, less is a dissolution.